X's product head, Nikita Beer, just announced that a big change, that is, a new immersive video player UI, which badly needed a refresh, is now rolling out at least for the iOS app. But there's a catch that's already rubbing users the wrong way. The update forces videos into full-screen cropped view instead of letting users watch them at their original aspect ratio. Several people immediately called out the problem, asking X to keep the full width option. On being asked whether one should post portrait or horizontal videos, Nikita said the portrait is the way to go. Nikita also explained that cropping videos was meant to push creators towards square format, but added that they're a mobile company and confirmed that they'll stop cropping vertical content going forward. Well, that sounds good on paper, except users are reporting the opposite. One of the creators pointed out that vertical videos are still getting cropped inside the player with a very significant portion cut off. Others mentioned that videos now appear in random sizes across the feed, which makes the browsing experience feel messy. Android users, as expected, are not happy about being left out once again. Many are asking why the Android app keeps getting ignored. Anyway, for now, iOS users will have to deal with the new player whether they like it or not. What's your take on the new immersive video player UI? Share with us in the comments section.